Hey, what's up? I'm Jesse.
And I'm Addy, and we have a few questions for you. Are you on a hunt for a spacious bungalow on the east side of Winnipeg?
Are you looking to gift yourself a home before the holidays arrive?
Did you just nod your head yes?
Well, then keep watching because we have the top 3 reasons why we think you're going to love our latest social savvy listing, which can be found at 47 Courageous Cove. Now get inside and find out what they are.
Start with number 3, the things you're gonna wanna know. The main floor, 3 full bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Plus a fully finished basement with 2 more really good sized bedrooms and a full finished bath. Plus a double attached garage, you can't beat it.
Number 2, the 2 awesome living spaces. Starting right here in the fully finished rec room. First of all, it's huge, great ceiling height. Check out those windows, loads of natural light. You don't even feel like you're in a basement. Plus, what are you gonna do here? Movie theater area, place for the mini sticks, maybe a pool table. Oh, so much space down here. Now we started from the bottom, now we're here. In the heart of the home, the kitchen dining area, open concept, and check out the space. In this kitchen, stainless steel appliances included, huge island, and can you just imagine hanging out here, got the buffet of food, hosting a family gathering, maybe the kids doing some homework? Seriously, the space is double thumbs up. And by the way, there is a bonus space that we haven't shown you about. Right behind me. A beautifully landscaped backyard, covered barbecue area, south facing, top notch. Now keep watching, because number 1 is a gem.
And the number 1 reason why you're gonna absolutely fall in love with 47 Courageous Cove is the location.
That's right. If you find the perfect home in the wrong location, you're not gonna buy it. So Addy, tell us a little bit more about the location.
Located between Dugald and Plessis, this location in Mission Gardens is absolutely perfect. It's in a completely private and quaint street, 0 through traffic.
Love it. And you know what? If you are a family considering on making this home yours, you need to know that there's a school just blocks west of here. There's a community club also just blocks east of here. Hockey rinks, soccer fields, all the great things to be active. Plus, if you've got a place out at the lake, Lake of the Woods, or Grand Beach, you are minutes from the East Perimeter. So if you want to know more details where they gotta go, boom! There's the site. Check it out. The VR tour, the photos, and so much goodness.
Yep.
Once again, folks, thank you so much for checking out our Social Savvy Listening Tour here at 47 Courageous Cove. And you know the drill. Stay social. See ya.